So when we're dealing with a nasty cough, we want to be sure to, try and treat it as soon as we can. Oftentimes, just in place of cough syrup, I will use a drop of Thieves in a teaspoon with some honey. My husband picked this honey up. No, I did not complain. But you want to find local, raw, organic honey. Local honey is best. And you just want to do one drop from the bottle of your Thieves in a teaspoon, fill it with honey, and then take that down. And do this before going to bed. And then I've also been known to wake up and do it first thing in the morning. This will help support a healthy immune system,